Did you know some vegetables don't grow from roots or leaves, but from strong, juicy stems that store food and water? Sounds interesting, right? Let's explore. Today we're talking about stem vegetable farming, a unique group of crops that are nutritious, profitable, and perfect for sustainable agriculture. So, what are stem vegetables? These are plants where the edible part is the stem itself. Unlike leafy or root vegetables, these crops store nutrients directly inside thick, fibrous stems. Popular examples include sugarcane, asparagus, celery, ginger, turmeric, and bamboo shoots. These crops are not only healthy but also highly valuable in the market. Growing stem vegetables is simple if you follow the basics. Use well-drained, fertile soil, provide good sunlight, and maintain moderate to warm temperatures. Some crops grow from seeds, like asparagus. Others grow from cuttings or rhizomes, such as ginger, turmeric, and sugarcane. Regular watering, balanced nutrition, and eco-friendly pest control ensure healthy growth. When it comes to profit, stem vegetables perform really well. Many allow multiple harvests, giving farmers steady income. Crops like ginger and turmeric can also be dried and processed, adding even more value. Whether you're a home gardener or a commercial farmer, stem vegetable farming is a smart and sustainable choice. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture.